ako doon sa ano.
Oh,
Sa
be ready, be ready, be ready, be ready, be ready,
Dismount,
be ready, be ready.
dismount.
Okay,
Dismount,
stay here, inside. D-tanks, hold it, hold the gate,
Do we food or
open it.
No.
Foot up.
Yan na pala.
Just put up,
Pussy.
Osi na. Okay, be ready, engage, be ready. Okay, sige, engage again in 5, south, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, drop.
Boom. Okay lang naman.
Nice, go, push in, go to the backline. Bro the healers. Go north, take north, we take north. Roll north. T-tanks go south. Be ready. We have engage in 5. Be ready, engage.
Ano?
Oh, be ready. Dep now. We get engaged now in 5, 4, inside, 3, 2, 1. Drop inside. Nice. Dep. Ready. South. We walk south. Roll and walk. Winserly, go south with me. Walk.
Walk
Walk with them. Good. Walk with them. Be ready defensive. They have engaged now. Okay. Dep. We can engage. East on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke. Drop. Okay, just keep walking. Keep walking with them. Finish the kills. Go walk south. Okay, go walk south. Go east, go down. Be ready. They have engaged now. Be ready. Go to the choke. Dep now. Engage now in 5, 4, east, 3, 2, 1. Drop. Just drop. Okay, we're gonna cancel. Naka-cancel tayo naman ng mga dep tanks. We focus on dep tanks. Okay. Go south. Walk with them. Focus on the healer. Focus on the healer. They have engaged. Dep. Help the front. We engage in 5. No. Cancel. We're looking north fast. Dep. Inside of us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop. Go north. We take north. North. Umalis kayo sa crystal. Umalis kayo dyan. North. Run north. Help the backline. Go north. Pili mo na. North muna tayo. Hayaan mo na sana. North muna. Yeah, masakit yan. Yung sinasabi ko. North muna. Okay, go south now. Go south now. Together with me. Go south. Heal, honey my love. Heal. We're gonna go up. We're gonna engage in 5. No. Not yet. Inch up. Be ready. Dep now. Engage now in 5. Inside of us. 3, 2, 1. Inside. No, drop. Okay, go south now. Actually, east, northeast. East. Okay, no. We go up again. Go up again. East, west. I mean, west. We hold here. We breathe. Okay, we go south. Be ready. They have engaged. Go south.
Spread.
We're gonna engage north in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the club. Okay, I get club. Sige. Go north. Actually, go northwest. Go up. Utang anang Crystal Spider yan. Kang kulit. Go up. North.
Layo tayo sa crystal.
Okay, west muna.
Pick up.
Go west.
Oh my God.
Go west. Masakit.
Push it. 3 seconds.
Now, east. Look east. Deep east. Walk with me. Walk. I need you to walk. Di tayo maka-engage kung di ka naka-hitch up.
Wala yung dita pala.
Engage in the 5, 4. Wait. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me. Drop. Late perma. Good. Ready defensive. Actually,
Dimis.
Okay. Go inside. Wait, west. Walk west. Keep walking. Be ready defensive. West. Walk with them. West. We're gonna engage in 5, 4, backline. West, 3, 2, 1. On me. No, yeah, nice. Good job. Tap. Heal. Okay. Walk with them. Find the healer. Walk with them. Northwest. Di sila mag-engage. Walk. Keep walking. West. Keep walking. Finish the kill, Peter. We engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside the map. Walang drop. Putang ina, sila nag-drop. Okay, west. Oh, south. We walk south. Okay, this is the healer. Roll the healer. Nakamark. Isa pang healer, ito pa. Okay, go east. Puta, hindi ako magalaw. Be the defensive. Engage tayo in 6 seconds. East. Keep walking. Walk. Gonna engage on this one. On the market. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here. Inside. Putang ina, ba't walang drop dito? Okay, ready defensive. Stop them. Stop them. Tap. Good job. Go east. Walk with them. This the healer. Another healer. Nakamark na yung healer. Just keep rolling the healer. Go northeast. Up to the choke. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop. Walang air compass doon. Puta, mag-drop lang kayo. Go east. Walk with them. Ready defensive. Porta, nag-random na ata sila. Not sure. Go south.
Yung mga healers nila, autobana.
Okay, good job. Okay, depth, front. Hold shields in front. We engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop. Inside. Wala ata nag-drop. Ewan ka ba?
DPS, low DPS.
Sige. GJ, nice job. Okay. West. Walk. Finish the healer. Yung yung skull. Ay, putang walang mana yan. Walk. Southwest. Oh. Ready defensive ba?
May healer
Ready
dito.
defensive.
sobrang
Bigay,
light.
depth. Nice job. We're gonna engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me lang. Sige.
One healer,
Find the healer.
On your east, there's a
West. Let's keep walking. Finish the healer. Finish the healer, man. Just walk. They're not gonna kill you. They have engaged now. Ready up.
I dropped duty.
Okay, we're gonna engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside the bus. Drop. That's everything. Okay, go east. Mamatay na to. Nakamarker, mamatay na to.
Chase.
Bilo.
73 BL.
Mamatay na no. East. Just walk east.
Yes, walk
Walk east. I think they're running. Just walk east. Chase the guy. Depth. We're gonna engage northeast in 5, 4, 3. Just drop on me. Okay, good.
Nice,
Go
finish.
west. Finish the kill.
They're running.
Good job.
73 BL. Ping.
Go to ping. West side.
Nakamount up na, no? Di ba? West side. Good job, guys.
Mount up, sayang.
Uy, napatay pa ako.
Ito, 6-3 na duty din yan sa Hodge.
Engage 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, patay na to.
And on this
Pa,
Hodge.
patay na to. Chase the
Naka-satchel.
case. GG's.
Wala namatay
GG
sa
don't run.
Check nyo yung mga body, di ko na loot lahat.
Copy.
Sayang. Tangina, nakatakbo yung 13 MSAT yun.
It's okay.
Di nyo na-finish. Mamamatay na yun eh.
Nasisi ako sa southwest backline. May execute ka na.
Okay, chase
Tangina.
na. Pinches ng pink. Go to the pink.
Yung crystal yung beetle, puta doon pa tayo
Check all body.
mabubuhay, pre.
Check all body.
Ayun kaya, alam ko yun. Kaya pinapalayo ko na.
Ang ina mo, bumalik ki, kaya ako tawa sa'yo.
Unting.
May
Yung mga
isang putay sa atin dun dahil sa beetle. By the way.
Ay, namatay na sa Beetle. Ang ina kasi
yung
Beetle talaga eh.
outkeeper mo.
Grabe kahit plate, patay ka eh.
Oo, mamatay doon. Ano yun eh, HP percentage at ano na,
Oo,
damage.
nag 1/4 yung
Sakit
HP.
eh.
Okay na, nalat ko na lahat. Kulit nito.
Okay. Help loot guys.
Ang daya ng kalaban, walang ginawa ko dito, tumulak, nakakabisit.
Ano ba roll mo?
Ayun nga, yun nga, nag-GA kayo eh.
Ah,
Ay,
yun
actually,
yan.
kapag gano'n, pag kayo, kailangan yung ano,
Lipad akong
equal
lipad.
out.
Sa
Ayun,
ano yung 7-3 na yun? Hinayang ako doon.
Ito, may ano pa sila. Ay, puta, ayoko na dito sa bitin na to. Bahala kayo dyan.
Ingat kayo, split kayo.
Masayit yan.
Ayo, go.
Di nag-aircom, pansin nyo, di na ako nag-aircom. Kasi ano, halata ka pa nag-aircom po. Pero minsan nag-aircom po.
Ganun pa lang pakiramdam. Nakaka-excite na nakakatakot.
Di, tiwala ka lang sa, ano, sa defensive
Si Dax
mo,
namatay.
sa palaro mo.
GG.
Kapag hindi ka
Natuwog.
nagtiwala sa, ano, kampi mo, matatakot yung gameplay mo. Takot yung gameplay.
First time ko kasi, ngayon ko lang naka-experience ng ganito.
Actually, guys, nabit niya ganda si, ano, perma natin. Time na daw
Burger.
mag-first kill.
Kung makikita nyo yung tsura ko, seryosong di ko alam. Nananaw kanina talagang, no, pag sinasabing 5-4,
Ano, Gigi Amazon, saan yun?